Alright, in this video we're looking at arithmetic with complex numbers. Remember, complex number is where we have a real number and then perhaps some imaginary number with it. So we begin with this question where we're asked to add two complex numbers. And really the grouping symbols are only here in this problem to really indicate that we have the two separate complex numbers. So we can begin by dropping the grouping symbols. And as you would kind of expect to naturally do, we just combine like terms. And so what I've done is I've just rewritten it and rearranged my like terms so that they're together. And then it's just a matter of putting those like terms together. So 4 plus 6 is 10, and 5 minus 8 would give me a negative 3i. And that's all there is to adding complex numbers. Subtracting complex numbers is really just as straightforward. The one thing you do have to remember, though, just like when you're subtracting polynomials, is that we do have to distribute the negative sign through. So the minus on the second one's going to distribute to the 8 and the 4i and make that minus 8 and minus 4i. And then we just go through and combine like terms. We have a 2 minus 8 would be negative 6. And then a negative 3 minus 4 would be minus 7i. And that's all there is to adding or subtracting complex numbers. Coming up in our next video, we'll take a look at multiplying complex numbers, which is just a little bit more involved, but again, fairly straightforward as well, as long as you keep your head about yourself.